How to hide orders on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can hide your orders on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to hide your orders on Amazon, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then basically launch the Amazon application here. Now maybe you have happened to order something in the past and they're still showing up in your orders list even after you've already received the product. If you'd like to hide those products or those orders, you have to archive them. And to archive those orders, from the bottom of the screen tap this account icon here, and once you tap the account icon there, at the very top you'll find an option that says your orders. So tap the your orders option over there, and when you tap the your orders option, you should be able to see a list of orders, and if you have the orders and you want to hide them, you can select that order and tap on the archive option in order to archive them. This way you will be able to hide orders on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.